What? People actually believe this kind of thing nowadays? Let's take a look at the original video.
If I don't tell you, could you guess it's a dishwashing gun? It's this thin layer that undergoes a big transformation after the rain. It cleans dishes, making them fragrant and clean. A light wipe and the dishes are dry without any grease. Once water is applied,
Does it really not dissolve?
Congratulations, I received it.
How
Why is it
like
this?
a pile of cards? Let's get right to it and give it a try to see if it will actually expand immediately.
It wasn't even for a second. Let me try again.
You. 1 second.
I did not see it wrong, right?
Let's see how dishwashing fares. Is oyster sauce necessary?
Wipe it
You
off.
think?
Then press
He says
it.
culture is hard to wash off. Spread it more evenly. It can be wiped dry directly, but I feel a bit unable to dry it thoroughly. Let me try.
Thank you.
Haha, Bala.
This is actually true. Let's listen to the sound.
Let me try that hot sauce.
The signalman is fast.
Please rinse it directly with water without washing the alcohol. And just refill the oil. Is that true or fake? Let's try it without any editing. From start to finish.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm all fans with pupils shocked. How did he manage it? Does anyone know?
Still thinking.
I'll look it up for you. Gotcha.
Talent just needs
We'll immerse the beef here.
That's enough for me.
Stripping the towel.
Skin. It has already absorbed the broth. Let's wash it directly with water.
The whole process is uncut, only sped up.
I can hardly believe my own eyes.
Just a little bit of blood crystal. He said a little can make a lot of foam. Look, really just a bit. See, it doesn't take much water. Who wouldn't want more of this?
Mine cute feathers.
The differences are probably around here.